Imagine a balcony not as a mere appendage to a room, but as a fragment of sky claimed for poetry. It is a liminal space, a breath between the indoor and the vast outdoor, often measured in mere feet, yet holding aspirations that stretch toward the horizon. In such a space, every element must earn its place, not just through function, but through a kind of lightness, a grace that defies its small footprint. This is where the idea of flower swing shelves find its perfect home. It is a concept that understands that in a confined area garden, growth should not be static, but allowed a gentle breathing movement, a dance with the wind and the light. The word swing here is the key. It conjures not a child's arc, but a subtle pendulous drift. These are shells, yes, but they are shells liberated from rigidity. Picture them, slender wooden platforms, perhaps shaped like a tiny, elegant surfboard, or simple, softened rectangles, suspended not by fixed, immovable brackets, but by ropes of thin, almost delicate chains. They are hung at varying heights from a sturdy overhead beam, the eaves of the balcony above, or a simple frame designed just for this purpose. They do not hug the wall, they float before it, leaving a whisper of space behind, a space for light to filter through, for shadows to play, for the wall itself to breathe. And the wood for these airborne gardens must be chosen with the poet's care. It needs to be strong enough to hold the weight of damp soil and the exuberance of blooms, yet appear almost weightless. Cedar is a natural companion. Its warm rosy hair and natural resilience against the elements, making it both a practical and beautiful choice. It will silver gently over time, its aging a quiet mirror to the cyclical life of the plants it holds. Teak, with its dense, oily heart, is another noble candidate, offering a richer, golden brown stage for the floral performance. Weathering with a stately grace for a lighter, more whimsical feel, smoothly sanded birch or ash, treated with protective oil, can seem to almost glow against the sky. Its pale green, a subtle backdrop for vibrant petals. Upon these floating wooden stages, the true magic unfolds. This is not the place for heavy, monolithic pots. Here, you might place terracotta clay pots, their earthy orange a beautiful contrast to the wood's grain, or perhaps lightweight, glazed ceramic bowls in a sea glass blues or soft greens. These plants themselves become the moving sculpture, trailing vines, ivy, creeping jenny, or the delicate chains of a string of pearls will spill over the edges. Their tendrils swaying with the shelf's gentle motion. A burst of scarlet geraniums or the soft lavender haze of petunias becomes a mobile brushstroke of color. The swing of the shelves ensures that no plant is permanently in shadow. Each gets its turn in the sun's fleeting path across the narrow balcony. It creates a dynamic, ever changing composition of light and form. There is a profound philosophy in this simple structure. The fixed balcony railing planters are a declaration, but the swing shelf is an invitation to movement, to change, to interaction. It acknowledges the wind not as an enemy to be guarded against, but as a partner in ballet. A breeze does not batter the flowers, it sets the entire miniature garden into soft, silent waltz. This gentle motion stirs the air around the leaves, promoting help, and brings the scene to life in a way static shelves never could. To sit on your balcony and watch these suspended gardens drift lazily is to witness a living mobile, a kinetic art installation powered by nature. Furthermore, it is an exercise layered vertically. This setup becomes a sanctuary for small moments. It is a place where morning coffee tastes different, enjoyed beside a softly swaying cascade of blossoms. It is a magnet for bees and butterflies drawn to the moving feast. The small balcony flower swinging shelf is ultimately a testament to joyful defiance. I would love to know which aspect of this aerial garden speaks to your spirit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.